Today we're making pasta carbonara, but first please like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. We're going to start out by removing some rind of the guanciale and thin slicing about 150 grams. You can also substitute bacon or pancetta, however it just won't taste the same. I'm going to brown that until it's just brown, but not crispy. Next I mix up my egg and I'll add the cheese till it's nice and creamy. And I'll mix till it's well incorporated. You'll see where it's very thick, but it's well incorporated. And I slowed it down a bit so you can just get an idea here. But it's all about the mixing. Get this down till it's nice and creamy. All right, at this point your pasta should be done. I've removed my guanciale. I've added a little pasta water, the pasta, in the frying pan that I turned off. Keep mixing. Mix. If it looks a little dry, add a little more pasta water, like I'm doing now. And I'm going to continue to mix while the heat is off. You don't want to scramble your egg. So now that the temperature in your pan has come down, your pasta's temp has come down, I'm going to add the egg. And you add it all in. Get every bit. Once it's in, I am going to stir vigorously. Stir. Don't stop stirring. You'll see where it all incorporates pretty well. You can just look at the cream on that. It looks divine. After it's well incorporated, I add my guanciale. Continue to stir. Stir. Don't let it scramble. You don't want scrambled eggs here. And then I'm going to plate. Add the remaining guanciale. Look at that creaminess. That looks just so good. There's the rest of the guanciale. Some black pepper to top it off. I like a little black pepper on mine. And then a little extra cheese just to finish it off. And enjoy.